Hello, and welcome to Homeschool Activity Plan for the week of March 1st through the 5th. All right, so it's exciting. We're starting a new month. All right, so let's see what we have in store for this month. So for this month, we will be doing shape sort, right? Then shape collage, 1, 2, buckle my shoe, right? We've been doing a lot of nursery rhymes and poems lately. And then lastly, we'll be talking about Simon Says game. All right, so let's get started more into detail into each activity. So for the first activity, it is shape sort. So for this one, you will be, cutting out, you could cut out maybe two large shapes, have your child go around the house, find various items, to collect. They could put them in a bag, and then come back to the table and sort them out. Okay, sort them out according to the shapes that they cut out on the large paper, on the large construction paper. This would be a good time, to talk about the shapes they found, classifying them, which is sorting, and then, talking about the sides of the shape. And then for the next activity that we have, it is shape collage. So for this one, you're going to be, finding basic shapes around your house. They go on a shape hunt again, collect items, and then they would be tracing those shapes. And then with your, supervision, have them cut out the shape that they traced. And have them do several of them. And, with the shapes that they found and they traced and they cut out, they could design things with them. So, I know when we were back in the classroom, sometimes we would do this activity and, they would end up forming, a house with the various shapes that they traced. So as we see here, it looks like some of the kids formed people, maybe it looks like a rocket ship, maybe a robot. So yes, this is our chance to get creative. And then, talk about what shapes they actually used. So then we have our next activity, which is a Simon Says game. This one, we'll be working on physical movement and following direction. So this one is pretty basic. It's up to you to tell them, what move to use, and it gives you several, examples, ideas that you can, say. And you can even play some music with it to make it fun, or maybe even provide them with musical instruments that they make themselves while they're moving and following the direction that is given. For our next activity that we have is 1, 2, buckle my shoe, right? So this is one of those songs that a lot of us are familiar with, and we've been doing a lot of those nursery rhymes lately. So for this one, we'll be covering cognitive development, quantity of counting, language, and literacy development. So for this one, they will, be finding items around the house that they could collect 1 through 10, and just practice counting, go over the song poem that we have here. And then, just practice our counting 1 through 10, and make sure that when you're counting, practice using that finger while we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And you could even add some extra math skills in there, such as, oh, we have 2. How many more do we have left? All right. Well, I hope you guys have an amazing week. And don't forget to share those pictures of the activities with your child's teacher. All right. See you guys later. Bye.